Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the error of the application was unable to start. The error was 0xc0007b. So hopefully I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. So first of all, you just have to check if your net.framework is installed, or check in the control panel here. So first of all, you just have to go to the search bar and search for control panel. You can see this control panel here. After opening the control panel, you have to go to the programs and search programs and features, and then you have to choose turn Windows features on or off. Click here, and you have to check here your .NET framework are installed here, and also check here in the checkbox here. So if it's not check here, you have to check box here, and you have to click OK here. And if it's okay, then try to start the application again, and then choose the application that you are having problem with not opening and showing the error, and just right click on the application and go to the properties and go to the compatibility option, and you have to click run this program compatibility mode for, and also choose the run this program as an administrator, and you have to choose the compatibility program mode for what will be the comfortable or compatibility mode Windows version here. You have to choose it there, and this program is run in Windows XP, so you just automatically choose that. So you have to check the run this program and as administrator here, and click on apply and OK. Then try to start the application again, and if that doesn't work, you just have to download DirectX Web installer. So you just have to go to the browser here and search for DirectX EndUser Runtime Web installer. So click enter, and it will show you Microsoft website here. Just click here and choose language English here, and now you just have to download it, and this will show you to start download. So I have already installed the DirectX end user runtime, so I'm not going to download again. So you just have to download it, then it will show you installer. You just have to install it. The installation process is easy. You just click next and finish, and it will automatically install in your computer. Then just restart your computer, and you just have to try the application again. Hopefully the error will be solved. So that's it guys, this is a very easy and simple tutorial for you. So I hope you found this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.